What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we're gonna do this definite integral. So we're gonna evaluate this one here. So what you can do guys is to pause the video, try to get the answer, and let's see if your answer is gonna be the same as the one that I'm going to get at the end of this video. Now before we start, I'd like to say thank you very much guys for watching, subscribing to the channel, commenting, and also liking the videos. Do not forget to share and also subscribing to the channel. Alright guys, so let me solve this one. But before I solve this one, I can see that I need to simplify this. Now when I look at this problem there, we must use the exponent rule. There is a rule for exponent when you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. This is gonna give you a to the power of m minus 1. As long as the bases are the same, the exponent, when the bases divide each other, the exponent on the denominator will subtract the exponent on the numerator. Don't forget, as long as the bases are the same. So meaning I can use this rule to simplify this. So let's do it. Remember, when you simplify, again, the sigma and the dx remains there. So you're going to have the upper limit as 1 and the lower limit as -1. So let's simplify. So we can say e to the power of 1 over 2x, and then since we have -2 as an exponent there, we can also say e to the power of 2, and then this is going to be dx. Remember, this is a law that we use for exponent then. Now when it's like this, it's easy for us now to integrate. Now before we integrate, this is actually exponential integration. So I'm going to show you the formula that we're going to use for exponential integration. When we integrate exponents, we have k as a constant, right? And then we have a as a base, and we have n as a coefficient of x, and then to the power of x dx, right? And then when we integrate this, it's going to be y is equal to, now k, which is our constant, you're going to write it. Also you're going to write a as a base, n is a coefficient of x, and then we divide by n, the coefficient of x, natural log, then e, or then a. So since these are definite integral, you just leave it like this, you don't add with c, right? So let's use this formula to integrate this one here. So we're gonna say y is equal to, what is our k here? Our k is 1 over e squared, right? So don't change it, just write 1 over e squared. There we go. So that is your k, and then we're gonna write this as it is. So we're gonna have e to the power of half x divided by, now our n. What is the coefficient of x here? It's actually half, so it's 1 over 2, and then natural log, then e, right? So don't forget to put this in a bracket so that we can indicate that we have the upper limit and the lower limit. So from here, it's time for us to rewrite this in a way that we can see our upper limit and our lower limit. So let me just erase this very quickly. So I'm going to rewrite it here. So y is equal to, now we rewrite this as it is. Let's simplify them. We can say 1 over e squared. But look at this guys, right? When you are dividing with a fraction, the denominator of that fraction come to the numerator of the whole equation here. So this is the same as 2e to the power of 1 over 2x, right? Divide by e, natural log, then e. Let's not forget we have upper limit and lower limit. Now there's too much simplification here, but we need to do it anyway. So this one, you continue, you leave it like that, 1 over e squared multiplied by, what is natural log e? if you still remember, this is actually 1. So natural log a, I'm gonna write it here, natural log a is equal to 1. So even if you just write this as it is, divide by 1, it's fine. You don't have to write the 1. So it's gonna be 2 e to the power of half, then x. Right, upper limit, then lower limit. But before we substitute, how about we write the brackets? Right, let's write the bracket. 1 multiplied by 2 e to the power of half x is gonna be 2 on the numerator, e to the power of x. Right, divide by e to the power of 2, and then we do that. 1 minus, remember we have to minus with the bracket of the lower limit. So this is going to be the same integral, guys. It's going to be the power of 2x divided by e to the power of 2, and then this time is the lower limit. Right, now it's time for us to actually substitute this time around. Right, so let me erase this very quickly. So it's going to be y is equaling to, now wherever there is x, we're going to substitute with 1 for the first bracket. So it's going to be 2 to the power of e half multiplied by 1. All right, divide by e to the power of 2 minus, don't forget this minus, and then you rewrite the same integral, but this time around it's going to be half multiplied by, wherever there is x, it's going to be negative 1 divided by e to the power of 2. Now guys, this can be challenging to use a calculator, so your answer is going to be y is equal to 0.282. Leave it into 3 decimal points. So when you put this on a calculator, this is what you're going to get. I hope you guys managed to understand this. So the challenge here is simplifying. Obviously there are some of you who continued and try to take this e to the numerator, but you don't really have to, right? Only after this you just substitute and then you get the answer here. Guys, if it happens that this video helped you, do not forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. Comment got it or correct if you managed to get the answer, and if you didn't get the answer, you're stuck somewhere, you can go back and watch the video at the beginning or start from where you were stuck. Again, you can leave a comment asking a question if you have any other question. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.